Hey community, happy Tuesday from the Southern Hemisphere. I'm sure it's Monday night if you're in the Northern Hemisphere. So as always, turning up to help you thrive. And today, I actually want to ask if it's okay if I put my tough coach Jeannie hat on. It's a hat that I wear well, but I have learned over the years just to be careful about when I put it on. So it's Tuesday here in the Southern Hemisphere, as I just said, yeah. So yesterday was Monday, and the reason I'm saying that is because Mondays do tend to be that day where we're back into the week and we're feeling a bit, the week is ahead of us, right? Everest is ahead of us. We need to climb that mountain that is Everest. And it was just before I was thinking, I was actually in my tribe Facebook group. That's the, for my transformation program, that's the private Facebook group where all of my tribe members are. And one of our members, another one, was sharing a win, and it was so wonderful. And so, the tribe members are taking a lot of action. They've exceeded my expectations within 30 days. Like, wow. So much so they've given me lots of work to do because they're so ready for what's next. And so it got me thinking, you know, you'll always hear me say, or from time to time I'll say, when we get action, well, when we take action, I should say, we get results, right? Well, whatever small action it is, we can get results in our personal lives, in our professional lives. But what is no action? Well, that is procrastination. And I know that we can all be great procrastinators from time to time. But, you know, there are two bookkeepers that I'm speaking to right now. There is the bookkeeper that's going to take action, yeah? And then the bookkeeper, for whatever reason, is not going to take action, right? Now, we've got the 2.5-hour free training workshop on this Friday, okay? So I'll definitely connect to that. One of the actions that you can take is to simply register for it, okay? Now, overwhelm is one of the reasons that you might stay stuck and not take action, and I'll do it tomorrow, yeah? I'll do it tomorrow. I was literally just messaging someone. The time to take action is now, and this is actually in a personal sense. I was sending a message to someone that I love and adore that's making some choices right now that aren't great, and I said the time to take action is now. And so I want to say that to you as well, all right? Now, there are no excuses. Yeah, there is only action. And the reason I say that is with the Strategic Bookkeeper project that I built, I am a busy multitasking mama of a special needs child. He is asleep right now. He's 13 years old, yeah. He doesn't go to school. That hasn't worked out for us this year. So on top of everything, I have to do my best with homeschooling and then figure out a plan, yeah. I am no less busy than you are. I have my own struggles just like you have, but I am massive on taking action, yeah, and I am massive on mindset, okay, and I work with my tribe members around that. So if what's stopping you taking action is fear, mindset, I'll do it tomorrow, I'm the voice of shame, who do you think you are, you're not good enough, yeah, please know, me too, yeah. And everybody else too. That is something that definitely helps me, is to take a breath and pause and say to yourself, Jeannie, you're not alone, okay? Everybody has their ups and downs, and everybody feels the same way every day. So I'm going to reach out to the bookkeeper who is finding reasons not to take action, finding reasons not to register for the event, not to read my book, yeah, not to listen to my podcast, because I guarantee you that I can help you kick goals in your bookkeeping practice. Absolutely. I giggle about that because I guarantee you, money back guarantee. If you read the book and you can't, it doesn't help you, send me a personal message. I'll send you a refund, okay? Same with the program. It has a full money back guarantee. So all of our participants that are in there are taking action in ways that allows their results to pay for the program week on week. That was my plan. It's not accidental, okay? So the 2.5 hour free training workshop. The links are in the feed, all right? So if you just have a look at this feed, you're going to see lots of links to the workshop. If you register to attend, you are going to get the 2 bonuses. So if you're not taking action to get those bonuses, why? Why? What is holding you back? So you're going to get a conversion bonus, which is just killer intellectual property that I have created, and you're going to get my slides as a workbook to use forever. Just take a step and register, because let the rest happen after that. If you come to the workshop and we spend 2.5 hours together doing great things, fantastic. If life gets in the way, like my life gets in the way with my son, then that's okay. You're still going to get all the resources, and you're going to be able to absorb that content afterwards. You're going to reach out. You're going to say, Jeannie, how do I do it? And I'm going to help you personally, okay? So that's what I wanted to turn up and really help you with today, to put that tough coach hat on, tough coach Jeannie, which a lot of my clients in my bookkeeping practice really love. Gosh, I can be tough. I don't think any of my beautiful bookkeepers have seen just how tough I can be. And it comes from a place of care. So I wanted to put that hat on today, reach out and ask you, what is stopping you from taking action? And to encourage you to take action, because once again, with action comes results. With no action comes procrastination. Yeah, action results. No action, procrastination. So whether that is registering for the event, which I recommend, or finally grabbing my book, which I did it in 3 versions for you: ebook, audiobook, hardcover book. Yeah, no excuses. I remove all the barriers for you to act. Yeah, so whether it's one of those actions, whether, you know, and I'm just going to finally jump on the podcast and listen. I'm going to make sure when I take breaks throughout the day, it's not multitasking while I work. I'm going to take real breaks. I'm going to start to 20 minutes at a time, listen to Jeannie's content. I'm not going to make excuses. I'm going to take action, yeah? Simple, small actions. Play the long game and you will get there, okay? Just like I did, and it would be my privilege to help you and hold your hand. The program is still available to join if you'd like to join, and have a prosperous day or a lovely evening depending on where you are.